Welcome to this video. I wanted to address the question, why should someone try the Ice-9 headlight restoration system in their shop, their quick lube, or their tire and brake shop? There's a dilemma that auto repair shops face concerning headlight restorations, and that dilemma is this. Headlight restorations can be extremely profitable if they can be done quickly. But there's not a truly quick system out there. There's lots of ways to do headlights. There are some good systems out there, good kits, but they're very time and labor intensive, which makes the headlight restoration pretty much unprofitable. And for that reason, a lot of shops have actually quit doing headlight restorations. So the Ice-9 system was created to rectify that dilemma. Couple of things. Anybody with no experience can complete a quality professional headlight restoration in about 7 to 10 minutes. The Pro Shop headlight restoration kit produces over 1,000% ROI per restoration and per kit. If you can do 2 restorations per day, you can make a minimum of $33,000 a year in additional revenue per location. If you can do 3 restorations per day, you can make a minimum of $50,000 per year in additional revenue per location. So it's the fastest, easiest, and most profitable way to restore headlights available today.